Hi there, today we are discussing about Python programming language. Python is a powerful, high-level programming language that is easy to learn and use. In this video, we will give you a brief overview of what Python is, how it works, and what you can do with it. Before we get started, it's important to note that you don't need any prior coding experience or even basic computer knowledge to learn Python. With that said, let's dive in. Python is an interpreted language, which means that you can write and run code in real time without the need for a compiler. The Python interpreter is also very user-friendly and provides helpful error messages to guide you when you make a mistake. In Python console, the symbol is called the Python prompt or interactive prompt, and it is used to indicate that the console is ready to accept Python code input. When you see the prompt, you can start typing Python code and press enter to execute it. The REPL stands for Read, Evaluate, Print, Loop. It is an interactive programming environment that allows you to enter code, have it evaluated, and see the results immediately. Python comes with a built-in REPL that you can use from the command line. Before writing a Python program, we need to install Python on our machine. To do that, you can follow the steps in the description. Let's take a look at a simple Python program. Here, we have a program that prints out a message, "Hello World." Firstly, open any text editor such as Notepad, Sublime Text Editor, Visual Studio Code, etc. Then write a program, then save it, then run the program. To run the program, open command prompt, navigate to the file location, then type the command python space filename.py. Then we will get the output in the command prompt window. But Python is not just for beginners. It is also used by professionals in a wide range of fields, from data science to web development to artificial intelligence. With Python, the possibilities are endless. That concludes our brief introduction to Python programming language. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.